Hello and welcome. I'm Anastasia, and in today's video we are going to do this simple glowing lightning symbol inspired by latest Kylie Jenner cosmetics and its logo. For this design we will need a bright white gel or gel polish. We will mix it with the top coat to get the more milky and semi-translucent white color to get this glowing effect. And the design looks better on a dark background. So I have a black tip, I don't need to apply anything, but you will need to apply dark black or brown background. Then I'm doing the line and another one, so now it's like half of triangle. Another line, so now it looks like a Z, like a Zorro logo. And then we do another line, so it's like an old style 3. It's pretty easy when you break it down. Then another line will go down halfway and another one will go parallel, and now we only need to connect these lines into one spot. So it's pretty easy when you understand where should every line go. Now we need to make this line slightly wider because this is not the complete design yet. This is only this glowing look. So to make something glow, it needs to go slightly wider. So feel free to add a little product to make these lines wider. As I already said, this is white mixed with the top coat. So if you see that the color looks too transparent, you probably need to add a little bit more white. And if your white is too bright, then you need to add more top coat. And I decided to make the lines a little sharp. And at this point, it is not a problem if you will mess up some lines because this is just the glowing. Actually, my line on the left looks kind of wide and it's fine. I will stretch it up and leave it like this because this is the glowing part and it's okay. Now we need to cure it for 1 minute in LED. Then we will take the bright white gel itself, and I recommend to use the smallest brush that you have, mine is 0, and then we will do a line in the center of our symbol. So the line should be right in the center. It shouldn't outline the whole design and it should not cover the white which is underneath. So these lines should be thinner than the previous one, but as you can see, they don't have to be extremely thin, just thinner than the background. So we are simply repeating the lines that we did on the bottom, creating this lightning. And the great thing about doing designs with gel is once the line went to the wrong place, you simply take the nail wipe, remove it and do it again. Now we cure it in LED for 1 minute again, and now it's time to add the color. I am using yellow neon. Yellow neons are usually semi-translucent, whether it's gel or gel polish, and you can also use different colors. But just in case your neons are too intense, you can always add a drop of top coat or base coat to make them more translucent. I'm using brush number 1 now, slightly bigger than I used previously, and applying yellow neon right on the top of the white. It is important to cover not only the central line but the all lines all together, as we want our glowing also to have some color, right? So just simply apply it on the top and it's completely okay if you will go outside the lines, as the neons on black, they will still have this nice look. And we simply need to outline all the lines. If you will notice that you missed some parts, feel free to add it after curing. So I outline our lightning symbol at all the spots and then cure it again. For my gel polish, it's 1 minute in LED, and the last step is sealing. After sealing with the top coat, it glows and looks so well, and do not forget to cure it again and the design is finished. I tried to do this in a different colors, orange, yellow and pink. In green color, it looks exactly the same as yellow in the camera. So let me know which color did you like the most. I think yellow is pretty classic and standard for the lightning, but it's also fun to work with the different colors as well. And this is how it looks on the client's nails. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing as I post nail art tutorials, tips and tricks every week. See you in my next video. Goodbye.